Here's how to download and install Among Us on your desktop. So first, open a web browser and go to Epic Games. You can also directly go to store.epicgames.com and open the official website. Now, once you're in their website, click on the search store in the top left corner of your screen, and here is search for Among Us application. Now go ahead, scroll down and select Buy Now option. This game cost around $7.99. Once you've purchased it, it will be installed and downloaded on your computer. You may need to give security access by agreeing to the security pop-up, and you'll then prompted to log into your account. And after you purchase the game, click on Library on the left from your Epic Games, and you should now see Among Us there. Click on it and just start the installation process and choose where you want to install it, and click on Install in the bottom right, and you might get another security pop-up. And once the installation is complete, it will say launch. Click on it and you can start playing Among Us. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.